G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here with Casey today, and we're just going for a bit of a drive around. So, oh yeah, I like it. She got loose.
Yeah, she does.
Yeah, very easily got loose.
It's got no weight, so it just goes everywhere.
Check this out, check this. Check this out. Check this out.
Hey Casey mate, have you seen my camera? Because I can't find the thing anywhere.
No, I haven't.
Well, let's just have a look around, see what's going on.
No, I can't see it
The
anywhere.
hood's popped a bit, mate. Let's just have a look under there and see if it's in there. Oh, what the fuck? What's it doing? What are you doing under here, mate?
Well, you guys took so long talking that I jumped under them. I had to look for myself.
All right, fair enough, mate. So let's just get right into it now and have a look. G'day guys, welcome back to the Commodore Garage. We've got another beautiful VF today, and is it a beautiful VF? Look at it. Casey's the man driving it. Get your name right, Casey.
Yeah,
how you
legend.
going, mate?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Yeah, good, mate.
Thanks
Good
for
to
having
meet
me.
you. Same, we've got the box today. Casey doesn't know much about it, but we'll explain it. But at the end, there'll be the challenge, okay? So the challenge is getting ramped up today because they've been too easy, and this one's going to be a little bit harder, trust me. Well, mate, let's have a look under the bonnet, under the hood, mate, and let's just tell us what's going on in there.
Yeah, wicked. This is my 2016 VFSS Commodore LS3 engine. It's had a little bit of work inside and out. It's, your usual mods. It's got a custom grind cam. It's got a underdrive kit, lifters, oil pump, just your general basic stuff. Does just under 500 horsepower, so it's not too bad.
Nice, Casey.
Goes all right.
Nice numbers, mate.
It's got just over 1,000 newton meters of torque.
Wow.
So it definitely does a little bit of numbers. But
So yeah, it's going to push us back in the seat when we
Yeah.
go for a bit of a drive.
Hopefully.
For sure, yeah. So she's nice and low, mate. I can see she's sitting really, really low on the ground.
Yep, so she slammed on BC coilovers,
Yeah.
front and back. Full cosmetic pretty much outside. She's got a Series 1 2014 Club Sport front bumper.
Nice, looks lovely.
She's got Marlou replica side skirts.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, slammed on 20-inch GDSR rims. She's got a aftermarket custom rear spoiler.
What's your exhaust under there?
Yeah, she's got a full 3-inch 178 headers Black Ops exhaust.
Nice.
It's still got middle muffler and rear mufflers, but it's crazy loud.
Yeah, you'll get to hear the note later on, guys, because we're going to have a little bit of a sound off, if you want to call it that.
Yeah, she should do some pretty numbers.
Love it. There you go, Insta tag VF Chillin'. Check it out, guys. Pro Streeters.
Now inside she's been fully blacked out, so all the grey interior is gone. Still in the process of doing all the custom seats, but she's got a HSV custom steering wheel and a Luffy gauge, which shows your oil pressure, oil temps, and all the good stuff that you need to know. And that's built into the dash. Yep, so this is my Luffy gauge. It's been built into the dash. So it plugs in through your OBD2 port just underneath the dash, and it shows your oil pressure, oil temp. If it's auto, shows your transmission temp. Your water temp shows everything, and it saved my life a lot.
Yeah.
You know, you flick on the car one day, it's not running a bit right, turns out it's showing less pressure or anything like that. You can catch it before anything happens.
Yeah, good. So it has alerts on it, mate? If something,
It does, yeah. So if anything drops under a certain amount, it will flash as red.
Yeah.
Tells you to turn the car off.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they're probably, I think they're about $200 from memory, and yeah, Australian made, and yeah, awesome. And then she's got a Apple CarPlay wireless Android Auto head unit, which is life-saving.
Beautiful, mate. So what's, out of the mods you've done, mate, what's probably the one that you don't like the most, if any?
Don't like the most? I would probably go for bags over coils.
Yeah.
The car doesn't get driven too much now anymore, so
Yeah.
I think bags would be a lot smarter.
Yeah, I reckon, mate.
You can't get over anything, so.
Yeah, that's right. She's really low at the front end. I'll just give you a bit of a look down there, guys, and you can see for yourself. Yeah, I could probably maybe just about to get my hand sideways there. So what's coming for the motor, mate?
I've been considering it for a long time, trying to toss up between, you know, the next thing that you do is you either blow it and, you know, get a bit of power out of that.
Turbo or super?
Or you go turbos as well.
Yeah.
I've got Fantail, which you've done a video on before. He's got the twin turbos underneath.
Yeah, nice.
So it's a hard battle trying to decide which way to go.
Yeah.
And especially, you know, that everything's been done now. You know, and a lot of NA as well, they, you know, build the blocks and this and that and still push a lot of power.
And the thing with the LS3s, they're made to actually handle the power as well.
Yep, definitely.
So the gearbox is pretty good in these anyway, aren't they, from stock?
Yep, definitely.
Yeah. And what's the diff like, mate?
Yeah, diff is just normal.
Yeah.
Yeah, so all same. I do need to do it eventually, I need to go a true track, but still deciding what gear ratio to go and probably just waiting for this one to blow, to be honest.
Cool. When it blows up, mate, you put something different in there.
Exactly, you go bigger and stronger.
Yeah, Pro Streeter sticker across the top. Sweet, Casey, thanks mate.
Oh, awesome.
Okay guys, we're just going to go out for a bit of a drive and listen to this car, mate. She's got a nice note to it, cammed up. And we're just heading out of the car park. We're going to go down and do a little bit of backstreet stuff. And what I mean by backstreet stuff is it won't be going on to YouTube channel itself. And that will be in the link on the actual, in the description on the video when it comes up, guys, so you can go and have a look. So what's the Patreon about? It's uncut. A private server, so any stuff that goes down like rubber or whatever, rev ups is all going into the private server.
Go left here or?
Yes please mate. Got some poke. Very sweet sound out the back there, mate. I love the VFs. Shame they stopped making. Oh, there is, Casey, mate. My apologies, mate.
That's alright.
Because I come in from that side.
It's the way of having a lowered car.
Yeah, just take it easy, mate. Oh, yeah, exhaust.
Yep, gets a bit of everything.
Yeah, but none on this side.
There's none apart from it looks cool.
Yeah. No, it's low, but it looks really sick. Yeah, what's your thoughts, mate? I'm putting a bit of a skid on the road.
Yeah, can do.
Get a bit of rubber, smoke it a bit. What do you think?
Yep.
Probably 10 metres, whatever.
Yeah. Just don't give me a thumbs up or anything when you're ready.
All right, mate. I'll go on the road. And we're going to get a bit of That was sick.
How's that?
Oh man, that was so good. Really good. So guys, we're out the back of chilling here, Casey's car, and we're going to do something new to the channel, and we're going to check out the decibels. So this one's called the Thunderjaw, and the idea is we're going to make some noise and see how many decibels it makes. So there'll be a start up, then we'll go up to about 2000 RPM and then 4000 RPM and then up close to the limiter. So the idea is to see what we can make in decibels, and I'll just get you firing up, mate. Just gonna go around the back and do the Thunderjaw. So here we are at idle. Here our guys gonna do the Thunderjaw. That's 124.9 decibels.
Damn.
It's pretty loud. Hey guys, we're back in the car park. Mystery box. Yeah, I've been thinking about whether to keep it on the channel or not, so I actually run a vote on YouTube, and all I got back was keep it going. So we're going to do it again today. I'll explain to Casey what it is, but inside the box there's a challenge. Okay, if he chooses to open the box, he's got to accept the challenge and he's got to complete the challenge. If he doesn't complete the challenge, or if he chooses not to actually take the challenge at all, Casey's got to hold up this sign. Anyway, so that's the deal. So we're going to put the box down. I'm going to ask the man, are you going to take the challenge, mate?
Yeah, let's do it.
You sure?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, so...
Nervous, but
yeah,
we'll be right.
good on you, mate. So look, I've had 3 challenges now and they've all been a bit easier.
Yep.
Sorry, a bit too easy. This one is going to be harder. So it's the same challenge as what we had before, and you'll see when I open the box what it is, but the timeline's going to be pulled in. And let's have a look. Oh,
Tyre shine.
tyre shine. What are we going to do with that, mate? We're going to shine those tyres up, eh?
Yeah, they need it.
Yeah, I reckon. So you got low profile tyres, and the
Yeah.
mistake I made before with Jaden's car is I gave him a minute to do low profile tyres and he just laughed at me because he got it done easily. So today, I reckon I'm going to give Casey 25 seconds, mate, so he's going to have his ass moving. And I mean moving to get this done. So we're going to have a check afterwards, make sure that he hasn't missed the spot, but the idea is run to the next tyre. Around he goes. I'm going to get my clock on him and we'll get it going.
Let's do it.
So here's Casey and he's keen to have a go.
See how we go.
So again, the idea is 25 seconds to get around, do the whole 4 tyres. Just watch out you don't trip over down the back there, mate, on the bump, because I won't have to give you any sort of first aid. That wouldn't be good. So I'm going to put my clock down here.
Yep. Tell
and
me
I'm
whenever
going
you're
to
ready.
say, just hang on, mate, I've got to turn it back on because the thing went off. All right, I'll count down, mate. 1, 2, 3, go. Why out. 5, 10, 15. Yeah, you got about 22 seconds there, mate. So
Well, it's pretty close.
that's not too bad. Let's just have a look around and see, make sure that you done them properly, and that looks all right to me. There'll be no cheating on this one, mate. Not saying that you did, but it looks pretty good, mate. So I actually think that you actually met the challenge, all right?
Let's go.
And that's you can do it. Yeah,
Yeah, that sign can die.
good on you, mate. So little prize over there for you,
Oh, wicked.
but we'll sort that out in a moment.
Perfect.
Say goodbye to Casey, boys. What a legend. And again, this car sits so low on the road, it's beautiful. Chilling. See you, mate. Casey can choose whether he, fuck. Don't like it, mate.